Okay, so welcome to Amazing Sensory Designs, and here we have the sensory magnet stones. These are like magnet stone fidgets. They're pretty cool, really good for helping to reduce anxiety. So we're going to kind of play around with it a little bit. So I'm going to take them out the box, take a few out the box, and I'm going to take a lot. Let's see here. Oh, I think I dropped a couple here. So it's better if you I dropped a couple. It's better if you put a few in your hand first. Nice amount in your hand. And go back and forth with it in your hand. Yep. Nice and relaxing. Let's grab some more. All right. These are the magnet stones. Great sensory fidget for under 15 bucks. That's not bad. I will leave the link in there. Let's watch. I'm going to put this back in the box and show you a video of one of the kiddos using it. Okay, so got another fidget here. This is a Morf's worm. Hopefully I pronounced that right. M-O-R-F, worm. It's a sensory fidget. It's great for all ages, for kids and adults. You could stretch it out. This is really cool. I kind of like it. It stretches out. Kind of give you that slinky type of feel, but it's got more of a tactile texture to it. So it's really, really cool. I like it a lot. And this one is also under 15 bucks. Great sensory fidget for under $15. All right. Wow, look at that. Kind of got that slinky feel to it, but better texture. All right, hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much. Amazing Sensory Designs.